In this video, I'll explain how I diagnosed and fixed a P2112 Throttle Actuator Control System stuck closed error code. The customer brought in their vehicle with the check engine light on. I started by connecting a scan tool and confirmed the P2112 error code. First, I inspected the electronic throttle control motor connector and terminals, but didn't find any faults. Then, I visually inspected the wiring harness for the throttle control motor and found no obvious signs of damage. To further investigate, I turned the key on with the engine off and used the scan tool to command the throttle control motor to open and close the throttle plate. While the motor responded, its movement was erratic. These results confirmed that the electronic throttle control motor was faulty. Since this motor is integrated into the throttle body, replacing the entire throttle body was necessary. The repair involved replacing the throttle body, clearing the error codes, and performing a road test. After the repair, the vehicle operated smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. If you're dealing with a P2112 error code or throttle body issues, this video will help you understand how to diagnose and fix the problem. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below.